Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mark Loeffler Experience. Today we're going to talk about the fall housing market. I'm going to make my predictions on what's going to happen during the fall housing market. And hey, we can use this to make money or we can just use this as information. But I do have to caution you, this is just my opinion. By no means am I the expert on everything Canadian real estate. So therefore, you should do your own due diligence before making any investments based on what I'm saying. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and definitely subscribe. I haven't asked you guys for a while, so please go ahead and do that. All right, we saw what happened in the summertime. Listings are down, sales are down year over year, yet, I mean, July and August were the best July and August on record, so we still had a lot of sales, yet listings were down. So if sales were down, 20%, listings were down 30%. So we have less inventory on the market right now than we did in the beginning of July. And that means that there's less supply, and typically we see demand starting to ramp back up in September, October. And I don't think demand has gone anywhere. I think if you bought a house in August, I think you're going to be very happy by the end of the year with your price increases. I don't think we're going to see 40, 50% like we have, yet I don't think we're going to see, stagnant or low growth. So Mark's number one prediction. Will we see inventory rise in September, October, November? I definitely think we're going to see more listings come on the market than we did in July and August. I don't think we're going to see the same type of inventory come on the market that we saw in, say, March or April. Obviously, I think at the end of the year, I think we're going to see inventory dip a little bit again. One prediction I do have that I know will be right, that the headlines will be out there and they'll say, market's crashing, sales are down. We're only up 13% year over year, which in any other year, national sales, prices up 13% year over year, we'd be all patting ourselves on the back and, kissing babies and giving out flowers and doing whatever we would be doing. We would be basically calling ourselves geniuses. So let's call ourselves geniuses and buy right now. Me personally, I still think right now is a great time to buy. Why is now a great time to buy? Well, the supply has gone down over the summer. I think supply is going to head up coming into September. If it's any indication of our personal business, mine and Sharon's, we have more listings coming up this month than so we have 4 in the next week when we had 4 in all of August. So we're starting to see that ramp up for ourselves. And, we're starting to see more and more listings come on through our brokerage and through our market. So I definitely think we're going to see more inventory out there. The buyer demand was there all through August, all through July. We were working with buyers who were in multiple offers on everything they bid on, and not a few, not 2 or 3, 15 to 20. So there is still a supply issue. Therefore, price, and you can quote me on this, prices will go up in this quarter. They're not going to be stagnant. Prices are going to go up. My prediction on the price increases, I would say between 3 to 4% for the quarter. That's just my guess. Now, maybe I'm being a little conservative because I'm putting this on video, yet I would rather you come back and tell me, Mark, you were wrong and we were 5-6%, yet I like to hedge that bet a little bit and say 3 to 4%. I do think we're going to, again, like I said, 40 to 50% a year is stupid. Just not going to happen again. Just not going to happen. Unless they really want to help demand and start giving out 40-year mortgages again through CMHC and, 1% mortgages and, maybe do a 30-year amortization and 30-year term. Like they do in the States, that would be really nice. At the end of the day, I don't think that's going to happen. They're just not going to do that. Anything they do to help fix demand, I don't think is going to be that effective. Right? So that's it. That's what I have to say about that. So prices are going to go up in this quarter. We are going to see listings go up. We are going to see Well, buyers are still there, so we're going to see an increase in home sales. Year over year, we're probably going to be lower than we were last year for average price increase, for sales, for listing inventory. And again, we had a lot of pent-up demand last year that we didn't have. I mean, the prediction on this year home sales are like 700,000 from Korea, and typically we're around 560,000. So this is going to be a record-breaking year no matter what. Definitely the fall market's going to help. I did talk about interest rates. You know what? I don't think interest rates are going anywhere. Obviously, the Bank of Canada has already held the rate last Wednesday. Moving forward, they've already said that they're not going to raise interest rates until at least the beginning of the second quarter next year. Judging by what's going on with, the economy and jobs and stuff like that, I don't think we're going to see an interest rate rise even at the beginning of the second quarter. Again, this is Mark's next prediction. I don't think we're going to see an interest rate rise until maybe the end of second quarter, maybe the beginning of third quarter next year. Now, Bank of Canada is usually pretty good about letting us know when that's going to happen, and they haven't made any changes. This is just my gut feelings telling me that by what's going on out there, and with, the third wave, I don't know why I quoted that. Some people will get it, some people won't. But, I hope this doesn't happen again. But if we shut down again, that prediction goes out to the fourth quarter. If we shut down again, I really hope that doesn't happen. It really, I'm not afraid of much in life, but that would be one that I'm afraid of because, it's not good. All right, so let's move on that. Again, I get lots of people who comment down below asking me all the time, is now the time to buy? Is now the time to sell? Well, I guess the answer always is it depends. What are your goals? Are you selling your family home to buy a bigger home? Are you buying an investment property? I think now is a great time to buy an investment property. What would I be buying right now? I'd be buying something that I could do some work on, I could add some value to. So even if there was, say, in the second or third quarter, or maybe in 2023, a bit of a dip in the market, that I would have value. I would have the value that I added that would be there for me, and I would still be above what I bought it for. End of the day, Mark's fall predictions. Listings are going to go up. Sales are going to go up. Prices are going to go up. Interest rates are going to stay low. And just for fun, I think we're going to be golfing in November in Ontario. That's just a prediction. I have no idea if that's true. But if it is, check me out on my Instagram because I'll post that picture of me golfing in November. I might be in a parka. Who knows? All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time.